It tastes really good.
Do you want butter?
No, I don't think these need any more moisture.
That's true, yeah. Whoa!
That's a street taco.
That's a street taco over here.
Yes.
It flipped.
Look at that.
Oh, they look so good. I think what are you doing?
Yeah. So we're making quesadillas with the coconut flour ones, and
Okay, who's ready for a taco?
make a taco.
Taco.
Oh, we need lettuce.
Oh, shoot, yeah, lettuce is here.
Sure, huh? Quesadilla out of it.
Oh, okay.
So a little bit, you could probably flip it if you
Yeah,
want.
flip it.
A little bit.
Flip it.
Yeah. I'm excited to try it. It's just so hard. I think that's where. Yes, please.
Hey, it's in the fridge.
Lee, Rebecca.
I need a coconut flour one.
Oh, there's one for the okay. It was just for the salt. Did it all anyways. It tastes good. I don't care. I'm gonna try it.
I was thinking,
That is one full taco, girl. Look at you.
I'm reading your mind.
You are. Those look awesome. Nice. Look at you.
The right person come to your cooking
That's
class.
right. If that day job of yours doesn't work out, you can go to a tortilla factory. All right, taco people, what's the verdict over here?
I had two.
And you didn't like
Loved
them.
it. Very filling, very delicious. If you didn't tell me it was this, I would have thought it was just a flour tortilla.
Awesome.
They were very good, very, very filling. I would definitely make them. I had one. I couldn't eat more of them. I had one, and then I had like a little piece of a quesadilla, and that's it. So
it held together.
The last one came out really good, I thought.
It did, perfect shape, yeah.
So
Do you know what you did differently towards
I
the
think I
end?
was more patient.
You left it. And would you typically have eaten more than 2? 4? But yet these...
No, but these were very filling, were very satisfying. The ingredients were very fresh. So I loved it.
Okay.
Very easy to make too.